귀여운 아기. What does this phrase mean? If you notice, the word in red letter is agi. Because today, on One Korean Word here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word agi. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 167. Agi. Agi. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is a, second syllable is gi. Pronounce it with me. Agi. The word agi is simply the Korean noun for a babe or a baby. Or a baby as in a young child or a young human. Again, agi is the Korean noun for a baby. How do we write agi in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write a syllable a in Hangul, we need to draw first a ph or placeholder ing, followed by an a character. For the second syllable gi, we need to draw first a gi character, followed by an e character. And then we just have to combine this to form the Hangul of the word agi. Now that we have discussed our word for today, let's try to look into this example English phrase. It says, cute baby. Again, it's cute baby. The Korean translation of this phrase is 귀여운 아기. Again, it's 귀여운 아기. The first part of the sentence is 귀여운, and this is the Korean term for cute. The second part of the sentence is 아기, which is also our word for today. And we already know that it pertains to a baby or to a young human. And therefore, if we combine these two, it would result to a phrase that means cute baby. Now, looking back to this, which is shown at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the phrase 귀여운 아기 is simply cute baby. And with that, you've just learned agi. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 157 to 166. But don't forget our word for today, word number 167, agi. And this is the Korean noun for a baby. The first word for our review is word number 166, which is 오늘도. And this means today too. Word number 165 is 돌아와. And this is used to say come back. Word number 164 is haru. And this is simply the Korean noun for a day. Word number 163 is pabo. This is an adjective which means dumb or full. Word number 162 is 별, and this is the Korean noun for a star. Word number 161 is 약속, and this is the Korean noun for promise. Word number 160 is 형원이. This is an adverb of time which means forever. Word number 159 is 하지만. This is the counterpart of but, which is used as conjunction in English. Word number 158 is kuriku, which is the counterpart of and or enden, and this is used as a conjunction. And the last for our review is word number 157, 맞아요, which means that's right. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.